In this quick video, I will give you a quick tour of Reporting Studio. Reporting Studio is a tool from AppTweak that enables you to plot any data in one simple graph. So let's get started. Let's create a new report. I need first to select a metric. You can choose from ASO Intelligence metric, App Store Connect, Google Play Console, or Google Play Report. Let's start with the downloads estimate for the app Netflix. I click on Save, and here is the metric appearing. I can play around with the date range selector. Let's select the last 90 days. Say I want to add the same metric for friends. I can duplicate it. I'll just select friends and I just need to add Netflix here and click on Save. And here is the metric for friends appearing. With Reporting Studio, you can also very easily share that report, either publicly or privately with a password. Lastly, you can rename your report. Let's say Netflix downloads iOS and save it. Add a description if you like, and come back to your homepage. When you're on your homepage, you will have a preview of your first last edited reports. You can search the reports, edit a report, or delete a report here.